Hi, friends. It's good to see you again today. Happy Friday. I hope you are having a wonderful morning. We're going to do some more math together today. I know Miss Pamela just played the 5-frame game with you, and now we're going to go back into studying number bonds. All right, friends. Today, I have a number bond for you with some missing parts. Still has the 3 circles and the 2 number paths. And there's a number in the hole, the number 5. But I'm missing my 2 parts. I'm thinking you guys could help me think of a story we could tell to help me remember those 2 missing parts. I have one. All right, friends, here's my story. There were 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of them were red with zigzag lines. Oh, not red, rainbow with zigzag lines. Rainbow. Some of them were just green swirls. All right. I still have 5 balls, but they're not all the same. I have 2 different kinds of balls. How could I show this in my number bond? I want you to stop and talk with Miss Pamela about it and then come back to me to see how I do it. Okay? All right, friends. I know you've talked to Miss Pamela. Let's go on and see how I separated them. Let's see. Well, I know there are 3 with zigzags, so I want to put them together in one part. So I'm going to put the 3 in one of the parts. And then I have 2 with swirls, so that's going to be my other part. Look, I told a number bond story. 3 and 2 make 5. I could write my number bond story this way too. 5 equals 3 plus 2 to show that I know that 3 and 2 make 5. All right, friends, let's do another one. What if I didn't want to use balls? How could I describe my number bond another way? Still the number 5. What could I have 5 of? All right, I have an idea. There were 5 people. 1, 2, 3. And I want to separate them by where they are. So there were 5 people. Let's see. Some are over in the grass. And some are on the sidewalk. Okay. Oh, that's kind of hard to see because the grass looks like the sidewalk. Let's move the sidewalk down. Okay. Here's the sidewalk. So, some were in the sidewalk. Do I have 5 friends? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I can separate them, can't I? By friends who are on the grass and friends who are on the sidewalk. 3 friends are on the grass, so that's 1 part, and 2 friends are in the sidewalk. Look, I made the same number bond. 3 and 2 make 5. Pretty cool, huh, friends? Okay, I think we can go straight into our problem set this time. All right, friends. So our problem set today says fill in the number bond. Tell a story about the birds to your friend. Okay, let's start at the top with our name, Miss Kelly, and the date. Well, today is Friday, so 3-15-19. Interesting. I see lots of birds in this picture. I see one bird that's definitely an eagle and it's close up. Do you see that bird? I thought you did. I also see one eagle way off in the distance. And I see 3 yellow birds. How could I tell a story about these birds? Let me think. There were 3 yellow birds sitting on a rock, and there were 2 eagles flying in the sky. All right, think in your brain, how could you tell a story to your friend about the birds? All right, turn to your Buzz Buddy and tell them a story, and then start the video when you're done. I bet you guys had great stories. Let's finish our number bond for this part of the problem. I see 3 birds on the rock and 2 eagles flying. There are 5 birds all together. Look, I completed my number bond. All right, now I see another number bond below. It says, tell a story that matches the number bond. Draw pictures that match your story. So I know I have 4 of something. And 3 of them have to be different than the other one. I have 4 cupcakes. 1 cupcake, 2 cupcake, 3 cupcake, 4 cupcake. 3 of them are chocolate. And 1 of them is vanilla. Does that match my story? I think so, because I have 3 of one type of cupcake and 1 of another type of cupcake. But how many cupcakes do I have altogether? I still only have 4. See how I did that? All right, friends. Now the last one you get to do all on your own. You get to draw the number bond and come up with the story. Here, let's draw the number bond just so we'll be ready to start. Okay. How many objects do I want to draw in all? I want to pick a number 1 to 5. Any number 1 through 5. I'm going to draw 4. All right. Then I need some pieces. Let's see. I'll figure that out in a minute. I'm just going to draw 4 of something. What do I want to draw 4 of? I want to draw 4 cats. 1 cat. I know you love my drawings. 2 cat. 3 cat. 4 cat. There's my cats. How can I make them different? Maybe color, maybe stripes. Maybe some of the cats have stripes. Let's give this cat some stripes. And this one some stripes. And I'll leave the other 2 plain. All right. What has happened here? Well, I've separated my cats out. I have 2 parts to my cats now. I have cats with stripes and cats without stripes. How many cats have stripes? 2. So they're 1 part. I can put that in 1 part of my number bond. How many cats don't have stripes? 2. So that's my other part. Look, 2 and 2 make 4. All right, friends, so this is what you're doing on the front of your problem set today. But that's not all you're doing. There's a back to the activity as well. And this part's a little different. It says, the squares below represent cube sticks. Draw a line to match the number bond to the cube stick. Well, these cube sticks don't even have the same number of cubes. And the number bonds don't have the same numbers either. I'm really going to have to think about this. Let's look at the first one right here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. And there's two kinds of colors. There's green cubes and yellow cubes. So I need to find a number bond that shows this combination. Well, that means there's going to have to be 5 in the hole. Which ones have 5 in a hole? This one has a 5 in the hole. Does this one? No. Here's the hole. Does that one? No. This one does too. Now I have to find one that matches the two parts. Well, there's 1 green and 4 yellow. So I need to have 1 part green, the green part to have 1, and 1 part to have 4. So 5 equals 2 and 3. No, that's not going to match. 4 and 1 make 5. Hey, that matches because it's just like the yellow and the green in this bowl, this cube stick. I'm going to put those two together. All right, let's look at the next one. How many cubes do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're back to our 5. Hey, this one has 5. And 2 and 3 are the parts. And I see 2 green cubes and 3 yellow cubes. That's another set. I can go ahead and match those up. Now I only have 2 to go. All right, let's look at the last cube set. I see 4 cubes. 2 are yellow and 2 are green. Which one does that match? Well, this number bond has 4 in the hole, so it could be that one. This one has 4 in the hole, so it could be that one too. So I need to find one that has 2 and 2 as the parts. This one, I see 2 and 2 in the parts. I know this one matches this one. Last one, I see 1 green cube and 3 yellow cubes. 4 equals 3 and 1. That matches. I can tie those together too. All right, friends, this is your problem set for today. When Miss Pamela says you're ready, she's going to give you your paper and you're going to go up back to your seat and get started. As always, when you finish, you're going to turn it in and quietly get a book to read. I know you're going to do great. I will see you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.